morning traders, this is the daily commentary. Gold rebounded from a 2-week low after disappointing ISM manufacturing data. WTI slips towards the $77 per barrel level to its lowest levels in 4 months. Consumption in Australia expanded at a slower pace than anticipated and weighed down the Aussie. Inflation in Switzerland most likely eased in May and the Franc finds itself on the back leg. JOLTS jobs openings serve as a sneak peek into the state of the labour market. Yuan traders expected to seek out China's Caixin services PMI results in tomorrow's early Asian session. Corn futures slipped for the 6th straight session as the outlook on supply remains robust for the rest of the year.